Is right now the perfect time to buy HIMS and HERS Health? And where could the price be going next? Those are the questions I'm going to be answering in this video, and we're going to answer the first question: is right now the perfect time to enter, by using this Fibonacci retracement tool. So looking at the price, we can see that from around these lows, price climbed up to this high before we saw this huge retracement. So if we draw the Fibonacci tool from this low up to this high, we can get some interesting insights. In the stock market, when prices start retracing, they tend to find support at one of these Fibonacci levels. We can see on this candle, when the price got below this level, we saw a strong rejection. Same thing happened here, but neither of these levels could hold, and more recently it appears that the price is finding support at the last Fibonacci level. So based on this, what would be the best area to get in at? An area where you might want to consider getting in is going to be around here. This is $30.48. It is a Fibonacci level, and we can also see that the price has found resistance at this level before multiple times, and we tend to see previous resistance levels become the new support levels when the price makes a significant move up. So that's the entry side, but getting a good entry is only the first step. It's equally important to have a good exit strategy in place, and we can get an exit strategy using this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering whether I'm currently holding HIMS or planning to invest in it. And the answer is the large majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that tracks trades made by US politicians. This is because investing alongside key politicians is the most profitable strategy I've found in the stock market. Over the years, it has delivered returns that blow every other strategy completely out of the water, so I mostly only invest when key politicians are involved. If you are curious about how I do this and how you can too, I've put together a free video explaining how I find the most profitable trades, and I also go through the returns of this strategy over the past 3 years. The link to this video is in the description below, so feel free to check it out if you're interested. So coming back to the extension tool, if we do something similar to before, going from this low up to this high, and this time if we pull the tool down to where this retracement has ended, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is, as the price starts climbing up, we tend to see resistance at these Fibonacci levels, and investors using this tool like to lock in some of their profits at these levels, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So what are some areas where you might want to consider locking in some profits? The first area is going to be around here. This is $73. The level above this is going to be around here. This is $84. And the third level is around here. This is $117. So taking some profits as the price climbs up to these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. I will be making update videos as the price gets to these key levels. So if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you found the video helpful, consider dropping a like on the video, as that helps out the channel a lot. It's also worth mentioning, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you'd like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to the free video explaining everything is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.